What is the last digit of 8 raised to 100? Okay, so paano nga ba to? So, ang first step na gagawin natin dito is to determine the pattern. Okay, so first step is to take natin si 8. Then, erase natin yung power niya, increasing. So, kahit hanggang 7 na lang yung power niya para makita nyo yung pattern. Then, i-calculate natin. So, 8 raised to 1 is 8. And 8 squared is 64. And 8 cubed is 512. 8 raised to 4 is 4096. 4096. And then 8 raised to 5 is 32,768. 8 raised to 6 is 262,144. And 8 raised to 7 is 2,097,152. Okay, so as you can see, yung mga last digit, yung mga na-calculate natin na value is repeating. So may repeating na pattern siya, si 8426. Okay, 8426. So kahit erase natin siya sa nth power, so ang pattern niya pa rin is magre-repeat siya. Okay, so 8426. So magre-repeat yung pattern na 8426. So kung mapapansin nyo, we have a 4 cycle. And then as you can see, ilan nga bang 4 cycle ang nasa ating dito sa ating power. So ang gagawin natin dyan is divide natin. So 4 divided by 100. But before that, so i-take natin muna yung mga last digit na repeating. So that is 8426. And then i-label natin siya or C8 as 1. And then C4 as 2. And then C2 as 3. And then C6 as hindi 4, 0. Bakit 0? Since meron tayong 4 cycle, if that is divisible by 4 yung ating power, so magzi-0 yung yung remainder niya. Okay? So if we divide 4 by 100, so that is 2 times 4 is 8. Then this is 20. This is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So ang remainder natin is 0. So as you can see, 0 corresponds to 6. So ang last digit ng ating dito sa ating problem is 6. Okay, ganyan lang siya. 6. Okay, so yung ito naman yung nasa baba. So ito yung mga pattern, mga cycle ng mga base natin kapag ang base natin is ito 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. So ito yung mga cycle niya. So as you can see, si 0 and 1, so meron lang siyang isang cycle, and then si 4, and then si 5 and 6. So kahit anong erase natin dyan, parehas din yung last digit nila sa kanilang base. Okay, so as you can see, yung mga cycle na to is 4 yung pinakamataas. Okay, yan lang. Okay, so for problem number 2, so how about this one? Actually, gagawin natin dito is, so copy natin muna yung given. So yan yung given natin. So actually, wala na tayong pakialam sa first 3 digit. So tanggalin natin. Ganyan siya. Tanggalin natin. So yan lang, mag-focus tayo sa last digit and then i-apply natin yung ginawa natin kanina. Okay, so si 9. So sa ating dito sa taas, so si 9 may dalawang cycle. Ito may 2 cycle. So meaning divide natin yung power niya sa 2, 4,321. 2 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. This is 0. 3 divided by 2 is 1 times 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down 1. 11 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Then, may remainder siya na 1. Okay, so 9, 1. So this is 1. This is 0. So as you can see, C1 it corresponds to 9. So meaning, yung ating last digit sa ating problem is 9. Ganyan lang siya. Okay, so yan lang sa ating video ngayon. Thanks for watching.